Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood Garage with the Cut-N-Weld system, which is perfect if you're just starting out or you're trying to save any precious room in your garage. Anytime during this video, feel free to click the button in the top corner to be able to purchase or for more information. Now, if you already own a plasma cutter or welder, there have probably been times in which you struggle to find a safe, sturdy place to operate your machines. Our Cut-N-Weld system solves this at a fraction of the cost of purchasing separate tables, not to mention the space savings. The attachments fit perfectly on our 750-pound work stand or any other brand stand with a bar diameter up to 1 inch and a quarter. The plasma top has generous dimensions to ensure your workpiece will fit while cutting, along with the perfectly spaced slats to maximize area for slag to blow through. We've designed this table with longevity in mind as we offer replacement slats, allowing you to keep the table in the best possible condition. And strength is the name of the game, as our plasma cutting attachment utilizes 12-gauge steel construction with a 100-pound weight capacity. Now that cutting is done, it's time to flip on over to the welding table to complete your project. The welding top attachment is constructed of 14-gauge steel for superior warp resistance. Pair that with generous 1-inch wide clamping slots and you have yourself maximum welding versatility. Big projects are a breeze with this welding table, which boasts a 250-pound weight limit to get even your largest welding jobs done. A quick tip is to save your padding by cutting notches, allowing it to be slipped back on even while the cutting and welding attachments are still connected to the stand. Now throw the padding back on and you have a great work stand for holding auto body parts such as fenders and hoods. Done with your project? Fold up our Cut-N-Weld system and neatly tuck it away in the corner of your garage. For more information or BL purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on the screen.